With San Jose having the largest population of Vietnamese people outside of Vietnam, you know there are delicious food around here. And today I'm gonna try out 3 banh mi spots in San Jose. So let's go, travel heads. Our first stop is Thanh Hung. They got a few locations out here in San Jose. Got a sandwich with Thanh Hung, which we got the number 1 and the number 2. The number 1 being grilled pork.
Yeah.
Number 2 being...
is the special combo.
There's always number 2, their combo. Is that not
right.
true? I'm surprised they don't wrap the whole thing.
The paper's not big enough.
Yeah. These sandwiches are longer than usual, right? They're pretty long. Wow.
Check that out. There's onions, pickles, daikon. There's a good amount of meat. And there's definitely some pate there and some pork cake.
Gotta eat it with the pate. And mine, I guess this one's the grilled pork. Because that's everything he just named and some grilled pork. Look at the size. Holy cow, this is huge. Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa, that bread, it's crispy
nice.
still.
Good.
You could hear that crunch, I heard that crunch.
Cheers.
Taste that grilled pork.
That bread is super crunchy, but it's like airy too, right?
Very airy.
Yeah. And the thing about this place is the meat has a thicker cut to it too.
The number 1 has mayo, that has the pate. The pate is popping out. Yeah, what do you think of it?
Pretty good, man. And they also put onions in it, which a lot of places don't. So that gives it like another layer of flavor. On to our next destination, Huong Lan Sandwiches.
The store here is a decent size and serves lots of different food. But you know, we here for the banh mi's today. Alright guys, so now we're here at Huong Lan. We got the grilled pork and the bacon special. Customized bag. There's 6 locations here.
We're at Huong Lan number 2.
Wow, they even have the whole list and they check it out for you.
About an average size banh mi, you know.
It looks a little longer than your average size, but not as wide. It looks more like if you ever had Lee's sandwich, theirs is more narrow and long.
And they use mayonnaise, but it's not as much.
There's mayonnaise, but no pate.
No pate this time.
What I'm surprised is there's peanuts around here. There's some peanut pieces. Do yours have peanuts?
No peanuts, but if you're allergic, be careful.
Grilled pork. As you can see, the meat is pretty big, this grilled pork. Has your onions, carrot, jalapeno, cilantro, daikon in here. No pate. Let's go. Cheers. That pork is good. It's a big piece of pork though. And you can taste the flavor of that pork and the fatty in it.
Same with the bacon. It's almost like a char siu style bacon. There's a little bit of sweetness to it. Nice and salty. It's thinner slices, but the flavor is there though.
You see the pink plaza? Our next destination is located there. Bun Me Oven. Got here at Bun Me Oven, the first place I can actually pronounce properly, right? I got the number 35 and you got the number...
I got the number 29.
And number 35, I've never seen them actually serving this, which is like basically the beef with leeks wrapped around it, which I really like to eat in spring rolls, but they have it on this.
I got the number 29, which is a grilled pork with fried eggs in it.
And
these are only half the size of the banh mi.
The large is this size, it's just that they cut it in half. But let's just compare the size. I mean, look at that.
The bread they use is a lot different too. I think they use actual whole baguette. Bread's definitely a lot more chewier, that baguette style, which I really like.
Yeah, it's not a crispy shell on the outside, so...
A typical filling that we got from the other banh mi spots, right? Daikon, carrot, cilantro, jalapenos. This one actually has cucumbers in it too.
Yeah, this one, the meat's really like saucy. They add some sauce that's really liquidy. Decent size.
Right.
And look at that. Cheers.
Good.
To taste that beef right away with the leek. I'm surprised how it's not overshadowed the taste. Yeah, your sandwich looks stuffed.
That thing is stuffed, yeah. The pork is nice and marinated. Like I said, the bread is nice and chewy compared to the other two, which are a little bit more on the crispier, airier side. And you really just can't beat a fried egg in a sandwich. Now I'm gonna let you know which banh mi spot I enjoyed the most.
Out of the 3, which one did you like most? Which sandwich?
Thanh Hung.
Thanh Hung, the first spot.
First spot we went to, yeah. Prices weren't too bad, about $6.50 a sandwich. It was good. It's good about a filling in it. It's good flavor. Yes. I do like that airy, crispy bread. What about you?
For me, I like Huong Lan. I like the pork in there. It was grilled pork, right?
Yeah, grilled pork.
It was unique. It was different. It was fatty. It was juicy. And the pieces were huge and they gave a lot. I was super surprised. I never had it like that before.
And it helps that both Thanh Hung and Huong Lan both have multiple locations.
Yes.
So if you're in the San Jose area, feel free to look them up. You'll probably find more than one location.
And what else is funny about all 3 locations that we just went to? they weren't that far from each other. Bun Me Oven was good as well. It was unique. It was different. I never tried that type of banh mi. We didn't end up trying the signatures at Bun Me, I don't believe. But because we were more like stoked of the things that we've never seen before. Exactly. For me, like that beef wrapped leaf banh mi, I was like, I've never seen that in America, only Vietnam, right? So I had to try that over whatever their specialty was. So don't take it lightly. You should still go try out Bun Me Oven as much as you would try out the other two.
Can't beat the value of it either. You can get a
small
sandwich
yes,
or
the
a
large.
sandwich.
The large is huge. That could be your lunch and dinner. Not just your lunch and dinner right there for Bun Me Oven. Overall, this Bun Me trip was a successful in San Jose. I love Bun Me. You love Bun Me. It's a cheap eat and it'll fill you up for just one sandwich. Alright guys, that's it for our Bun Me videos. Let me know which one you'd like most. Comment below. And yeah, we got more videos coming from San Jose. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Until then, travel heads.